Are you ready for another exciting Tile Mart episode? Have you ever walked into a room and thought, this space could use a little something extra? Hi, I'm Julee Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how the simple addition of subway tile and a little pattern can completely transform a room, achieving a high-end luxury designer look for your space. Ceramic tiles are thin slabs made from clay or other inorganic materials, fired in an oven and coated with glaze for color and finish. They usually come in a high gloss or matte finish. In 1904, the first New York subway station was designed by Christopher Grant Lafarge and George C. Hines. They created the iconic 3x6 subway tile to achieve a clean and bright look for the walls. Subway tiles quickly became a sensation due to their easy maintenance, installation, and stain resistance. It's absolutely amazing how they designed a tile for the New York subway station and transformed it into a worldwide sensation. I love subway tiles because they're timeless, they work with any design style, and they're affordable. And they come in various colors and finishes like Tile Mart's Basics collection. As a designer, what I love most about subway tile is the fun and intricate patterns that you can create on your walls or backsplashes to achieve a high-end luxury designer look without breaking the bank or your budget. One of my favorite things to do with a 3x6 subway tile is to create some patterns. Like, here's how you make a basket weave. So simple. Isn't that beautiful? The other thing you can do, which actually will save you a little bit of money, is you can just stack these horizontally. And what I love about this is it just gives you a really nice modern look, like this. Or try stacking them vertically. Again, this just gives you a really nice modern look. It's beautiful. You can create various patterns with any size rectangular tile, offering endless design possibilities. So be sure to check out more options on our website, such as our Chloe tile. Oh my God, I love this tile. I hope you enjoyed learning all about subway tile. So fun. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe and stay updated. And I'll send you my top 10 subway tile pattern guide for free. We love it when our customers share the love, so remember to tag and share with all your friends. See you next time.